Blow.
Blow, Mad, blow.
Blow it.
Yay, Mad! Yay! Okay, open, Mad. Ooh, num. You gonna do that one first or this one?
I want to cut it. I want to cut it.
Do this one.
Here, Mom. Fine. We will go. Mom, can I cut it? Open it. Open it, Mom.
Here, remove the candles out of the way, Ella. Come over there. Give it to Kristen first.
Here, Mom. Put it in
Thanks,
there, Mom.
Cody.
Don't touch it.
Open it up. What we got in there? What do we got?
Can I help her, Daddy?
No, she
Jakey, say hi.
rip it out.
What do you think?
There we
You
go.
already know what it is. Don't.
Keep going. Keep going. What's in there?
What is it?
What's
I
in
don't know what
there?
it is. What is it, man? What is that? Daddy's smiling. What is it?
Look, Mad, pretty.
Pretty. Look at those.
Skirt and a bathing suit. She's like, yeah, whatever.
Let's open it. What?
Yeah, you can put her on the floor if you want.
Ooh, a big skirt.
Pretty skirt.
Come on, Dad. Down here, Dad. Well, what about this? Down here. Let's help her. Cut it.
No, let's watch her do it. I want to see if she can do it. Go, Mad, get it.
Jake.
Stop.
Ella. Watch out, Jakey, you got a knife in your hand. Whoa, Mad. Oh, she can't see it yet.
Look at it. Here, look, man.
Grab it from the top.
Rip it, Mad, rip it.
Rip it.
Yay, Mad. Woo. Let her look at it, Elle.
Look at it.
What is it, Mad?
What is it? Look,
Jake,
man.
put the knife down.
That Mom can both of us have them. Mine is the pink one.
That's what I got.
Mine is gold.
I did.
Yeah.
She wants out.
She's
Still opening it.
I can touch it. Look at my hand. Look it. Stop. I just saw it.
Easy, you guys that tie these things in with like
Yeah.
700 strings and steel cables and
Yeah. Hold on, man. We got to get him out. What? Oh, yeah.
There's a little slant in this. This is your
Yeah.
Maddie's, not yours, Ella.
Yeah, she knows, but she's gonna play babies with her. Why don't we pick up all the garbage? Maddie, say hi. Do you like it?